Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this SL500 from 1999 made by Norev at the 118 scale. This is an older release from Norev, but still looks pretty good, especially in this color combination, black with tan interior. The model also comes with the hardtop, but sadly, I don't know if it's me, I cannot fix it. It has some holes here, but it's pretty hard to match the pins with the hole, and also it doesn't line up properly. I don't know if it's a mistake from Norev or it's just hard. Please let me know in the comments if you did manage to put it on and make it stable. Also, another feature of the model, we have the wind deflector, which is functional, which is very nice from Norev. But let's start in the front. We have the headlights with the window headlights washers, wipers. There we go. Also, we have the Mercedes logo there in the front. We have the fog lights down here, and in front, on the front part, everything looks pretty good. I would have loved to have this grille perforated, but still looks pretty good. Also, I forgot to mention, the model is metallic and has opening bonnet, doors, and the trunk, and also have functional steering and suspension. On the side we have the wheels, again looking very good, with the Mercedes logo there in the center. Also have the brake caliper behind them, but no writing on the brake caliper or on the tire. In the back, the stop lights look pretty good. Also we have the Mercedes logo there, and we have the exhaust tip down here. Underneath the model, everything looks pretty good, in line with the Norev standards. We have some details on the axles and the exhaust system. All look pretty good. Let's open the bonnet to check the engine. We have this Mercedes engine. I think it's a V8, this being a SL500. But everything looks pretty good. We have a good amount of details for a Norev model. In the trunk, we have the carpeted interior of the trunk. Also have the hazard triangle there for in case of accidents. Everything closes perfectly. Again, very Norevish of it. And we have the interior, which I have to say looks stunning in this color combination. And also we have a good amount of details. We even have carpeted here on the door. Of course, all the interior is carpeted. We have the seat belts with this part being metallic. We even have the handle to move for the seats to enter the back. And also we have a lot of details on the center console as well, as you can see. Please tell me in the comments, what do you think about the model? I think it's a beautiful model, especially in this color combination. It's a shame you cannot put the hardtop, but again, it's a shame to put it on as well because of the interior and how it stands out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also please let me know in the comments what color combination do you have of this model, and what makes it special.